Thinking of one of the next ones I'm going to play. I want to do a spoken word piece because it seems to be an important one to do. It's a short history of the life of Vincent van Gogh, and this is something that if you have any questions afterwards, please see me after the lecture. This is called Vincent van Gogh. It goes like this. Vincent van, Chevy van, Nissan van, Jean-Claude Van Damme. Hot damn, there ain't no like Van Gogh. He hung out in the cafes d'Arles at night, slurping absinthe until he got tight, seeing things in a different light. No wonder he made sunflowers so bright. Painted with flowers I didn't understand. The things he could have done with a spray can, spray can, spray can, go man, bingo. All the other artists, they thought it was weird with those crazy colors and that wild beard. They thought he was a bit of a loon in the minstrel winds at high noon. Hey Vince, there goes your painting. What are you doing fainting? Is that technique called the sunstroke? Oh, sorry, that's a joke. Is that your brush with fame or are the critics lame? Hey, Theo, get him a poster deal. Dr. Gachet, he was crazy anyway. He made self-mutilation popular. Someone had to go call a copula. By then it was too late to stop you. Sacred blue, someone go get a popular. Perhaps if he'd stayed a little longer in Arles, he could have painted little landscapes with Prince Charles. Chuck would have found him boorish and rude, and Vince would have slugged him and got sued. He sold one painting, that was all, but now they line museum halls. Only one painting while he was alive, but the last one went for 82.5. You know, that's a little funny, because that's twice the amount of money we gave Nicaragua at the start of Desert Storm. What you didn't know, we didn't mean any harm. What do you think Vince would have done with that sort of jack? Have a heart attack? If I eat paint, will they make me a saint? Or think I'm just quaint or gay or straight? I think there's a little hard of hearing, don't you?